Good morning, good afternoon, good day, and good evening. I am your host, the Fat Italian, and this is Open Transport Tycoon Deluxe. Okay, they still fucking hate me here, but what I really want to do is I want to get trains to here. You know what? Screw it. We're gonna start up here with these guys. We got 610 grand in order to build our train network. Okay, this is gonna be... how are we gonna do this? Ah, shit. I just remembered. The goal is to not have a train. You can't just have a railroad cross a highway like that. That never really happens in real life. It happened once in Wisconsin, I will say that. But, I mean, it's just so weird. And it's not right. I mean, why would you have a railroad crossing an interstate highway where the average speed of a car is 70 miles an hour on the highway? Wait, ugh. Fuck. Okay, now, what we're going to do here, in the essence of what we're doing here, is we don't want to create any grade barriers for trains. We're doing that. Now, we usually don't have to worry about this though, because the trains are now on a realistic setting where their shit is based off of other factors like physics and whatnot. So that's that. And yeah, that's just a regular road, so we can cross over that with ease. Bippity boop. Bam, bibbidi bobbidi boop. Ah, fuck, 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 fuck. That was an accident. You accidentally changed it to that little window there. Okay. Ah, no, no, no! Ah. Ah. Damn it. There! Mission accomplished with that. Oh, nope. Back to trains. Ooh. Alright, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ugh. Let's redo you so that we can do that. Excellent! We have our first train line up for business. We gotta put signals on the train line now. Yeah, we need a set of signals now. We are going to have more than one train. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8. Let's just bring it up to 10. 9, 10. because each platform can hold 2 vehicles or cars. Is it going to cost us a lot of money to climb? There. Okay. That's what I don't get. The one thing I don't get, though, is this game, the original content for this version of the game is based off of UK. The temperate content, I should say. But yet, they gave it the train horn of an SD70 ACE. Well, actually, no, not an SD70 ACE. They gave it a US train horn. That sounds like something I would hear when I'm at the grade crossing and I see an ES44 DC go by or something like that. I'm just naming off random locomotives. They don't actually... The locomotives I'm naming off don't have those specific chimes, but they have similar chimes. Maybe some of them do. I can't remember. But yeah, coal mine, yeah. Here, let me show you the beauty of these things, though, and why I chose trains instead of trucks for that. Because as you see here, the maintenance for this is only $6,378 a year. Now, they only include the locomotive when it comes to that. In real life, the freight cars would also be included, and that number would probably be higher because of that. So, $6,378 a year. Sounds like a lot, right? Well, one truck here is $1,858 a year. And if we take here, and its total cargo is 22 tons of coal. Not bad, eh? But let's take 150 tons of coal here. I'm doing this off my iPhone. And we divide that number by... Oh no, not 150. What the... Let's take 331. Divide that by 22. And you have 15 trucks there that are gonna be doing the work of one coal train. So we're not gonna round up. So 1862 times 15, 27,930 trucks. I mean, $27,930. That's... Wow, that's about 4.5 times more in maintenance costs than it is for just one train. You see what I'm getting at now? Here, let's actually upgrade these trucks, though, because... Oh, it's not there yet. What the fuck? Okay, never mind on the upgrade. But yeah, that's the reason why I did that, because the costs are far much more greater in trucks than in trains. Now, obviously, if it was just like this at 99 or something, if it was this at this 132, I would have gone with trucks because there's not as much capacity for a train. But since we have 2 of these, and one of them is a little bit more now, but since we have 2 of these here that are close enough, we are just going to do trains because we have enough to necessitate trains. It's economically better to do trains here. And I just realized that, wow. Huh, that looks good. But that's not what we want. But yeah, so that's why I did trains here instead of trucks. And if you want to say fuck you for using trains, well, I'm not going to respond, because that is, in my opinion, a hate comment. And as I always say, if you see a hate comment at the end of a video, or wait, no, that's not what I say. What I always say is, if you have any hate comments, keep them inside your head, and if you see any hate comments, please do not reply. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like and comment if you thought it was informative or entertaining or whatever have ye. Again, like I said, blah blah, hate comments, and yeah, I am the Fat Italian, and as always, have a nice day, or evening, or whatever time you're watching this. Good night!